Today we're going to change oil in these two combines and get ready for another week of harvest, and maintenance is a big part of farming with this kind of equipment, so we always do what we can do. Now we're fitting on the new filters and waiting for the old oil to be completely removed, and then we will replace fresh oil. The next step is to pump oil, and it's somewhat automated, so that's always a good thing. Now,
this is our oil pump system. Hook an air hose on it, pumps oil by air. Got a meter here so that we can meter what goes in. Makes changing oil a whole lot simpler.
there's the process going on right now. And every time he pulls the trigger up on top, it moves the oil on up. So it's a pretty neat setup. This is a close-up of the actual mechanism that pumps the oil with air, and thought maybe some folks would be interested in seeing just what it says, and we know what it does. Thank you.